Welcome to the TopPick lab. The best Plastidip is probably one of the most versatile and accessible ways to customize and protect your belongings, offering a unique rubber coating that can be peeled off, making it perfect for temporary or permanent modifications on everything from car parts and wheels to household items and tools, allowing for endless creative possibilities without the commitment of traditional paint. Number 5. 4-pack Plastidip Black Multi-Purpose Rubber Coating Spray. Discover the versatile solution for your protection needs. This multi-purpose rubber coating offers exceptional durability and flexibility. It provides robust resistance against moisture, acids, and alkalizes, ensuring long-lasting performance in various conditions. Enjoy peace of mind with its protective qualities against electrical shock. It's designed to keep you safe. Experience enhanced grip and superior abrasion resistance. It's built to withstand wear and tear. This coating remains flexible and stretchy, adapting to movement without cracking or peeling. It moves with you. Get the ultimate protection and performance with this innovative rubber coating. It's the smart choice for any project. What we like. This option offers superior resistance to moisture, acids, and alkalizes, along with electrical shock protection. If you need a durable coating for various materials that can withstand harsh chemical environments or require electrical insulation, this is a great choice. It remains flexible, making it ideal for applications where movement or temperature changes are expected. What people say. The product is easy to apply and provides a smooth, even finish. It offers excellent protection against scratches and chips, maintaining the original surface. The color is vibrant and doesn't fade over time, even with exposure to sunlight. Number 4. Plastidip Black Rim Kit. This product provides robust protection against moisture, acids, and corrosion. It's designed to withstand harsh weather without cracking or becoming brittle. Experience a non-slip, controlled grip that remains comfortable to the touch. It offers excellent protection from shock, vibration, and heat. Don't worry about extreme temperatures. This coating maintains its integrity, resisting cracking and brittleness in even the harshest conditions. Shield your items from damaging elements. It effectively guards against moisture and corrosive substances, ensuring longevity. Benefit from superior protection against impacts and temperature fluctuations. It absorbs shock, vibration, and heat, keeping your items safe. What we like. This kit provides excellent protection against moisture, acids, and corrosion, while also offering a non-slip grip. If you're looking to protect metal surfaces from rust and corrosion, or want to add a secure grip to tools and handles, this is the product for you. Its ability to withstand harsh weather without cracking makes it perfect for outdoor equipment. What people say. I got it in and was anxious to get it started. I think my rims turned out great. I think I ended up with 7 maybe 8 coats on each rim. My suggestion if possible is to take each wheel off and do them one at a time. It would take you quite a while. It took me a whole day to get mine cleaned and done, plus add another day for minor touch-ups. I put a few Walmart bags around the brakes and taped around the outside wheel well. I would highly suggest covering up more areas than I did because I got more overspray than I thought. Of course the day I did it the wind started blowing halfway through. I would suggest doing it in a garage or somewhere out of the elements. Wear a face mask. This stuff has a strong odor, and I didn't wear one the first spray I did, mistake. It's best to follow the directions, do a light spray on each one, wait 30 minutes then do a little more until you get the results you want. I got tired of waiting 30 minutes on my last few sprays, so I went to 15 minutes, it was also hot outside around 75 so it dried pretty quickly. Don't get in a rush on this, take your time and go slow, don't overspray. I had only one spot that had a drip in it, I went over it a few times after it dried and it's almost unnoticeable. I have had mine sprayed for a couple of months now and it still looks good. If you wash your car I suggest hand washing for at least 2 months. Don't take it to a car wash that has those power washes, at least not for a couple months. I have yet taken mine to a car wash, all I have done so far is hand wash but will try out a car wash soon, I just wanted to make sure it was fully cured. If you use the Plastidip while the wheels are still on the car, make sure you get good coverage inside. I thought I was done until the next day, when I drove to town and came back looked at the rims and parts of the inside were still bare, so I just did a quick couple coats on all of them to get as much of the dip I could on the inside. This is why I suggest taking the wheels off your car. The gloss spray, well to me it doesn't do much, I used a full can and it didn't make them very glossy, which I'm glad because I like the look of them. If you want them glossy or shiny, I would suggest buying another can in addition to the one you get. I also like the spray nozzle that it came with. It helps widen the spray and it never clogged up. Just make sure that the can nozzle is positioned the correct way, because I learned that the hard way. I will give another update after I take my car to a car wash and let everyone know how it stood up to the pressure. So far though, so good. Great product. Easy to use. Haven't peeled or wore off, yet. Decided to do this as a winter project. To protect my chrome rims from salt and water. So my chrome won't rust or corrode. 'Cause let's face it. I'm not power washing my rims once a WK during the winter months. So I heard Plastidip can help protect my chrome rims. It yet has to snow. Snow, I mean a couple of feet. I haven't washed my truck yet. I'm sort of worried if the underline power wash will peel the Plastidip off my rims. Eventually I will take my truck to a car wash. From what I understand, the more coats the better results. And easier to come off. It peels off like a decal. It does say on the can weather resistant. Against any type of elements. So far so good. I applied 4 coats on each tire. Starting from light coat. And eventually heavy coat. Then added the gloss coat. I used up 3 cans out of 4 total. I advise taking the tires off. And laying them down. 2 tires at a time. But you can do this without taking the tires off. But you have to cover up behind the rim. I don't mind taking my time and making a day out of it. Some PPL only takes a few hours. YouTube has videos and helpful tips. But in the end I'm happy with the outcome. Best thing I have ever done to my car. I literally can't say enough good things about this product. It was so easy. I have no experience painting rims, or for that matter using spray paint, or anything like that, complete amateur. I watched a video on how to do it, went out and did it, came out amazing. What I did, took an extra large trash bag and opened it up to put behind the rims to protect the brakes rotors. I took an extra step because I did it outside and there was some wind. I cut open some trash bags and put them to cover the paint on the car around the tire from overspray. Started with 1 light coat on all 4, waited 10 minutes for it to dry, then did heavy coats on all 4, waited 10 minutes and repeated until all 4 cans were gone. I think I did 4 to 5 coats in all. They looked so good the way they were. I did not put the gloss paint on them. I was happy with matte. 1 or 2 little runs here and there, not perfect, but you would really have to look for them for it to be noticeable. It looks better than I ever expected. Seems to be very durable, easy to clean. It feels thick in a way, hard to put in words, but I had a few scratches and scuffs on my rims. This completely covered them. They look brand new. I will add some before and after pictures. It really made the car. Number 3. Plastidip 2-pack black rubber coating spray 11 ounces. Protect your items from moisture, acids, and corrosion with this versatile coating. It provides a durable barrier against harsh elements. Achieve a non-slip, controlled grip that also feels comfortable to the touch. It enhances usability for a wide range of applications. This coating is designed to withstand harsh weather conditions. It will not crack or become brittle, ensuring reliable performance year-round. Gain protection from shock, vibration, and heat. It safeguards your surfaces against impacts and temperature extremes. When you're ready to revert to the original surface, removal is simple and easy. It leaves no residue behind. What we like. This pack offers protection from moisture, acids, and corrosion, along with a comfortable, non-slip grip. The standout feature here is its easy removal, making it perfect for temporary applications or for those who like to change their mind. If you're looking for a versatile coating that won't damage the underlying surface and provides a good grip, this is a solid option. What people say. It's a great product that provides a smooth finish and is easy to apply. The product is durable and holds up well to wear and tear. It offers a wide range of colors to choose from, allowing for customization. Number 2. Plastidip Spray Black 11 ounces, 6-pack. Introducing Plastidip Spray in Black. This versatile coating is easy to apply and even easier to remove when you're done. It offers robust protection against moisture, acids, abrasion, and corrosion. Keep your items safe from the elements and wear. Achieve a comfortable and controlled grip on any surface. It's perfect for tools, handles, and anything you need to hold securely. Our unique formula remains flexible and stretchy, ensuring it won't crack or become brittle. It stands up to extreme weather conditions. Enjoy long-lasting performance that adapts to your needs. It's the protective coating that works as hard as you do. Don't worry about extreme temperatures. This coating is designed to withstand harsh weather without degrading. What we like. This pack provides comprehensive protection against moisture, acids, abrasion, and corrosion, with the added benefit of easy peel removal. If you frequently change the look of your items or need a coating that remains flexible in extreme weather, this is the one. Its wide range of protection makes it suitable for almost any project where a temporary or durable finish is desired. What people say. Plastidip adheres to most surfaces and stays there as long as you want it to without chipping or fading. It's easy to touch up if you scratch through the initials coats you set down. I Plastidipped my Nissan Armada, front grille, mirrors, door handles, interior center dash and shifter console. It's been on there for about 16 months now and holds up beautifully to the wash, both hand wash and machine wash. Number 1. Plastidip Black 11-ounce Aerosol with Cangun. Introducing Plastidip Black, the versatile aerosol coating designed to protect your items. It shields against moisture, acids, and corrosion, ensuring lasting durability. Don't worry about extreme weather. This coating remains flexible and stretchy, preventing cracks or brittleness even in the harshest conditions. It offers more than just protection, it guards against electrical shock and vibration. Plus, it helps to deaden sound for a quieter experience. Experience the world's first full grip, easy pull trigger. This innovative design makes application comfortable and effortless. The included Cangun is proudly made in the USA. Its arthritis-friendly design ensures it's comfortable for everyone to use. What we like. This option excels in providing protection against electrical shock, vibration, heat, and even deadened sound, all while remaining flexible in extreme temperatures. If you're working on projects requiring electrical safety, noise reduction, or vibration dampening, this is your go-to. The inclusion of an arthritis-friendly, easy-to-use trigger gun makes application comfortable and precise for extended use. What people say. Plastidip is a great invention and watching various YouTube videos illustrates how surprisingly easy it is. You'll be impressed with the results. You can't mess this up. If you don't like it, it can be easily removed without any damage or trouble. Sprays on evenly and without runs. It's really durable. I heat it up during curing and that really makes it smooth and I haven't had any flaking off my outdoor steel chairs or much fading in the direct brutal sun in Arizona. I'm really impressed. Also used it to paint car interior parts and it looks exactly like factory. No chips or peeling at all. Prepare the area using water, then 91% rubbing alcohol. Followed the directions on the can and perfect results. 3 months later and no issues. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.